So let me tell you a few things about auto insurance in New York State. One, the worst drivers have the worst insurance. Second, the insurance companies are selling the cheapest policies possible. And that means very little coverage. That means if you're in an accident and a majority of the people on the road carry the minimal insurance, if you have an accident, you could have big problems because you're going to be limited in what you can collect.
And in New York State, minimal insurance is $25,000. That's all that's available. And if you have serious injuries, if you have broken bones, if you've had to have surgeries, if you've had rods, screws, and plates put into you, $25,000 just simply isn't enough to compensate you for your pain, your suffering, if you can't go back to work. So the most important thing is to make sure that you have coverage to protect yourself. You need to make sure you have at least $100,000 of UIM insurance. UIM is Underinsured Motorist Coverage, which protects you if you're struck by a motorist driving with the state minimum.
So your own no fault will pay your bills, but as far as you getting a settlement, your settlement should be $200,000. You may only get $25,000. It's important to have the right amount of insurance, which is not the cheapest policy that you can buy. And a lot of the insurance companies won't tell you that. That's why I recommend talking to independent insurance agents who will look out for you and not just for the insurance company. It's the bane of our existence that we help people and they come in, they're in accidents, it's not their fault, and they're limited to $25,000 of insurance. That is a big problem.